Yes, who is ready for today?
Sir, Harsh.
Harsh, शाबाश हर्ष, come बेटा.
Yes, sir.
Come on बेटा,
So
शुरू
start
करो
करूँ?
बेटा. कल का मैं कुछ रिपीट नहीं करूंगा, आप कर लो अपने आप. मैं आपके साथ ही हूँ, लेकिन आप चालू कर दो बेटा.
Yes, sir. So hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshal. Today my
आवाज बहुत
topic.
कम आ रही है यार बेटा
Today,
यार.
hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshal, and today I will conduct your class. And simply in this class, I will interact with you, and I will ask you some question, or I will
शाबाश.
say you some sentence, and you will be acting upon it.
Very good.
So, as we know that in the today's world, the addiction of mobile is very disgusting to all the child under 10 years. What's your opinion in it? So, please, Rohit, answer this question. Answer this. So I think that this is the major problem of the younger children in today's era, because nowadays we can see our relatives, young ones, and um, also our uh, and also brothers, small brothers and sisters are very addicted towards these mobile addictions, and this is because that they find some interest in these types of things, and most of the children watch YouTube shorts, and they find, because they are small clips of long videos, and they find happiness in seeing them, and day by day this addiction develops, and they fall into the trap of which they cannot come out. And there sometimes we can see cases that children are attacking their parents with some instrument like bottles, knives, because the parents are not allowing them to watch these types of things. So I believe that in today's era we should not give children mobile and other types of things, so that they become addictive of that. We should learn them moral lessons, and give them and are told and cannot tell them to do physical exercises. So as he said that physical exercise, we can provide them physical exercise. So which type of physical exercise do we provide to the children, so that they can prepare them for mentally and physically? So this is for Rakshit.
Yes, physical exercise is very important, not only for children but also for everyone, because we know that what are the importance and benefits of physical exercise. But we know that for children of about 10 to 12 years, we we should not force them to do this and this exercise or complex exercises. We should allow them to play outdoor games, and eventually, and
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया.
along with they by playing games they will able to do they will become physically fit, and their mental health will become also good. That's it.
So as he said, the mental health will become good. And uh, what and I asked you that what are the disadvantages of being not mentally fit?
ये
So
किसी
what's
ये
your
किसी
opinion in it about Rakshit, Harshit?
या
So
शाबाश.
yeah, if somebody is not mentally fit, then his control and coordination will not work properly, and he will not be able to do all the things that he can do in his life. And mental health is important, which can decide his nature and these types of things, and how well he will be in his future.
Uh, good, and he tell us about that nature, and nature is nature. What is the nature? And not about the surrounding of us. The nature I want to know is about the behavior of any person. So it is to Kajal Didi.
nature, a good person have a good nature, should be have a good nature, because it's depend, it's all of its surrounding, all people uh, if behave good, it's depend on his, because if he behave, uh, if a good person like a good person, and all people like him, and respect him. If he his behave, and nature is not good, don't everyone like him, and
शाबाश शाबाश बोलो बेटा.
चल बस.
ओके ओके ठीक है बहुत अच्छा.
So as I talked in the starting that children should not be addicted to mobile, but should we provide them mobile, and what's the benefit and disadvantages of it to your mind? This is for Komal.
Yes, we should give mobile phone to children, because they can solve their problems about their studies, and they want to solve their problems in many ways, like mathematics and general way. And mobile phone is also harmful for children, because they uses in different ways, like they are playing games at the time of studies, and they using they see bad thing in the mobile phone, and mobile phone is harmful also children, and also useful. That's it.
So, but by some disadvantages, we cannot prevent the students from watching mobile, because it is now in this era it is a source of knowledge. Then how should a student use it in online education, so that he can take its benefit at all? This is for Simran Didi. Sir,
हाँ आ गई
Simran Didi.
सिमरन को बुलाओ.
Sir, you know what? Many advantages of mobile phone. We can use mobile phone, learn our skills, and many courses. We can take online classes anywhere, any weather, and we can improve our knowledge by mobile phone, and we know that what happening in this world, and we can learn our skills. That's it.
As many people think that online classes are better than offline, although there are many disadvantages of both and also the advantages. So what do you think about the disadvantage and advantage of online and offline classes? So this is for Yamini Didi. Sorry, Kabir.
कबीर. कबीर.
So I think he's not here. So the Gaurav.
Hello.
हाँ हेलो आ गए आ जाओ बता रहा
Hello.
हूँ. हाँ हिल रहे हैं बोलो. बहुत हिलाता है.
डिफरेंशिएट करना है ना
हैं?
सर, डिफरेंशिएट करना है ना.
भाई दोबारा बता दे इसको.
हाँ थोड़ा बहुत वैसे कि कौन ज्यादा एडवांटेजियस है.
Which is more advantageous, online or offline?
Yes, they both are advantageous for us, because they all have their advantages. So first of all, we take online classes. In online classes, we can see that we can take class in our home, and we do not want to go anywhere. Like
this is the season of monsoon, and we can see that there are many rainfall in the Jaipur, so we can't go to our coachings. So now the online classes is the best option for us. And the other hand, offline classes is very useful because we can talk with our sir face to face, and we can clear our doubt easily. They can also check our copies, but in online classes students can सर घपलाबाजी को क्या कहते हैं?
Manipulate. Manipulate. हाँ,
Students can manipulate, and so they are both advantageous for
नहीं है
on
आएगा, they both have. हाँ,
they both have advantage in their sides. Yes, that's it.
very.
Yes, sir. I also want to add on something that in online classes they are very cheap. Like we can see that you are taking the classes, then these are very cheap classes. And if we are going to take these classes offline, then they are very costly. And online classes also are very cheap, and that's why they are very good for the they are very good for the low income families. And we can also take online classes on the low devices also. High quality devices are not necessary for these class for on taking online classes, and they are very best because we can get the same content in recorded form or in PDF forms, and that we cannot get in offline coachings. And there we have to do the same thing but if we have some doubt while taking online classes, we can solve it later on by watching the lectures again and again.
Very good यार, बहुत बढ़िया इंटरेक्शन किया यार, शाबाश, वेरी गुड बेटा.
As the previous speaker said that online classes are cheap, but we are no, but there we cannot learn the social awareness and how to talk to the people from face to face. And it is different talking to a screen or talking to a person. So how you think about it and how you would face it when you will come face to face about anything like this. So this is for Sushil Bhaiya.
Yes, as you said that in both medium we can talk, but both have their advantage and disadvantage, and the quality of offline is good according to me, because in offline we are talking to someone, so we can see and we can notice and analyze his body language that helps us. Yes, sir. Too, and we can analyze his body language that helps us to understand his behavior and nature.
शाबाश.
Uh, and in online we can see only his face and we can't see his whole his complete body. But in offline we can see. That's it.
No matter what we are taking online or offline, it matters that how we are studying. And in online we have a lot of distractions.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत
But in
बढ़िया.
offline too, we have distractions like talking, like our friends distract us, or teachers sometimes have any meeting with others.
Very good यार.
So how can you utilize the time between it, and how you can prevent the distractions? And this is for सर वो सिमरन दीदी के साइड में कर
प्रिया.
दीजिए, प्रिया दीदी.
Yes, sir. Offline classes, sir, मतलब what I can you please repeat the question?
Harsh, in a few words.
So the question is that in both classes we have distractions. So how we can prevent them and utilize the time between them?
So to prevent our time, student can make his to-do list, and he can do many activities to do not waste his time. Like he should he should uh, he should he should take online classes, and he should सर बचने को क्या बोलते हैं?
Avoid.
You should avoid offline classes, because sometime in offline classes there is the time is waste, and there and the student learn a lot of things by online classes, and we don't have any distractions in online classes. If he goes in offline classes, so there is a lot of distractions, like his friends and the environment also. That's it.
Very good.
In both classes we need to change ourselves, and we can do it also, but the main thing that sir zaruri hai kya? That is important is the teaching of the teacher. And as we know that the standard of teacher is not good, then what teacher imply in his studies from external, not in the school, at his home, what he or she should apply to improve the studying time or studying quality of his teaching quality of his.
How can a teacher improve the quality of teaching? This is the main thing. Yes.
This is to Anuj.
Anuj.
Yes, the teaching quality can be improved by a teacher, maybe through practice. And if he is alone, he or she is alone, so he or she can practice in front of a mirror. We can say, and talking to himself. And that's it.
Okay. How a teacher can improve his teaching? This is the point. Anuj?
Yes, sir.
Is question clear to you?
No, sir. Sir, any question of hers is not clear to me.
Sorry?
Sir, any question of hers is not clear to me.
Oh. Why? If I am saying you same, if I am asking you that, please tell me how a teacher should improve his teaching quality. Now is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Then now interact.
So I said, as I said, that he only through practice he or she can do, and with a planning, if he or she plans before the class that how he or she will take the class, and how he or she maintains, and a teacher should maintain the bond between the students to interact easily with them. So a teacher should be friendly to the students. That's it, sir.
Is there anyone who wants to express his views regarding the point?
Yes, sir. I think a teacher can improve his method in many ways, like reading books, and also doing many practical things, like he can teach tuition classes and coaching classes also. And he shouldn't think that I am a teacher, so I need not to learn anything. He should always learn many things and many ways, that how can we teach a student
Bas, bahut badhiya. Very good.
by which student can stay focused in his class and take interest in the topic, and he and a teacher should uh, also learn about that how can he teach so that the student can learn it one time.
Very good, beta. बहुत बढ़िया.
Sir,
बस, yes.
Can I
sir, I
explain?
have also wants to add something regarding
Why not? You are
this.
most welcome. Rakshit, then Lakshmi.
Yes, sir.
Lakshmi, what are you saying?
Yes, sir. Teacher should have
Nahin. No,
a lot of.
do you want to speak on the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you will speak up after Rakshit. Yes, come on, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. So we know that teacher can improve his subjects and his teachings in many ways because teacher should learn his subject like a student because we know that anyone is not perfect in this world.
No
He
one is
should have
perfect.
to learn
Anyone named
day
no
by
one
day.
is perfect. ऐसे बनाओ इसको.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. No one is perfect in this world. He or she should have to learn more and more in his life. And we know that knowledge and education is one of the thing that we gain is less and we have to gain more and more. And as much as we gain, we will find more and more. And so teachers should teachers should try to read many books regarding his or her subject and he or she and he or sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया. Just come on, Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. A teacher should have a lot of example regarding his topic and her topics,
Shabash.
and teacher have a lot of knowledge about her subject, her and his subject, and teacher should prepare her and his notes in easy way so that the student can understand
बहुत बढ़िया.
who is saying. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. कोशिश क्या करो ऐसे बोलने की, जितना बोलोगे उतना ज्यादा परफेक्ट हो जाओगे. Yes, come on, Harsh, carry on. Yes, Priya, is there anything that you want to? Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, if a teacher want that he want to teach things to the students, so he should follow the thing that he should follow practical things like he is teaching books, so he should choose the way of practical like if there is a chapter in our book which is related with history, so he should visit the students and tell them practically so that the student can understand it easily and also explain.
बढ़िया बेटा.
Sir, can I?
बोल दो.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, teachers should also have to change his or her teaching styles because seriousness does not teach more as in a funny way or in a normal way.
हाँ,
Like
बढ़िया, शाबाश. I
because
agree with
every
you.
teacher, yes, sir, every teacher should not be serious in every class. He
No
should be,
teacher.
he or she should be.
No teacher should be serious. मैंने बताया ना भी कैसे यूज करते हैं नो का. Every teacher
Yes,
should
sir.
not be. नहीं, no teacher should be.
Okay, sir. No teacher should be serious in every class. He or she should be familiar with the students. Sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Sir,
Sir,
before next question, I want to say something.
Yes, why not?
Sir, to the students who are not getting chance, they should speak in the between.
In the?
Between.
Okay, उन्होंने बोलना चाहिए लेकिन वो बोल ही नहीं रहे ना. हम तो यही चाह रहे थे कि जो those who have not spoken, who have not get like Lakshmi spoke very good, shabash. Rakshit tried very good, very nice. Priya also tried. Harsh, you also can express your views. All can express their views regarding the point. This is called the interaction. समझिए इस बात को आप देखिए 10
sir,
मिनट
if
कहाँ पहुंचोगे आप.
Sir, and if Anuj is not getting me, he can get your opinions, then he can answer.
No, I don't know what is problem with him. Anuj, are you able to listen to me?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding what are the other students saying?
Yes, sir. But Harsh, I think I am not understanding because the questions of Harsh are not direct.
No, yes, it is a natural thing. We want this pattern. Okay, now follow it.
Yes, sir.
According to me, Harsh is doing very well. First of all, he is going towards the background of the point. And in your higher classes, where you will be there for your discussions, you will be given such types of situations. This is called verbal input. Okay, beta?
Yes,
So
sir.
now try to follow Harsh cautiously. Yes, come on, Harsh. Carry on.
Yes, uh, as you all said, the teacher should get more and more knowledge. But what if a student asks the question in between and he is not able to answer that, and he is feeling ashamed to Google it on the on in the right class and write down the class. So he should do it or not. What is your opinion in it?
I think Harsh is
Open-ended
saying
question.
that in the classroom, should students use Google or other things rather than concentrating upon the teacher? Am I right, Harsh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Whom you want to ask this question?
सर लक्ष्मी दीदी के बाजू में
लक्ष्मी
जो है
दीदी के बाद है खुशी.
नहीं खुशी दीदी के बाद कौन है
लक्ष्मी है.
दोनों बहनों का नाम क्या है
दोनों का, एक का लक्ष्मी है, एक का
जिन्होंने
खुशी
नहीं
है.
बोला
नहीं, खुशी ने तो, लक्ष्मी ने तो अपना इंटरेक्ट किया, पर आप किससे बुलवाना चाहते हो? खुशी तो बिल्कुल अभी सोच रही है चीजों को,
आप बोल उनसे
तो खुशी से
उनसे
बुलवाओ. तो खुशी तुम बोलो.
Because students have to hard uh, uh, do to do focus, and they can easily they can search easily
नहीं,
on
is it right? Is it right, Khushi? You are in the classroom and your teacher is teaching. You are sitting there, but you are using Google instead of listening to your teacher. Harsh, I am right?
no sir teacher is not getting what we are saying and he is googling is it right or not
Is it right or wrong? If teacher uses Google to search anything, okay?
sir
Okay. So is it right or wrong? What do you think about it? Suppose you ask a question to your teacher, and for that question, if your teacher searches that thing using Google, so is it right or wrong? What do you think about it?
it is sometime it is right, sometime it is wrong, because the teacher
अभी
don't
पॉइंट आ रहा है, सभी के लिए आएगा ये पॉइंट, अब समझ लेना तुम अच्छे से. सबको इंटरेक्ट करना है इस पॉइंट पे. आ जाओ, तैयार हो
teacher
जाओ, सारे के
don't
सारे बैठ जाओ
tell
तुम. अब
wrong answer
तुम तो
to
सोच
the
रहे भाई मेरा
student,
नंबर तो आ गया, अब सो जाऊं मैं. हाँ, बोल बेटा.
because the teacher don't the teacher doesn't tell wrong answer to their students. Teacher can't tell wrong answer to their teacher, to their student.
ओके, अब सुनना जरा ध्यान से. ओके, घबराए मत. ठीक है ना? ये तेरी घबराने की बीमारी बहुत ज्यादा है भैया इसकी.
Sir, can I?
हो.
Sir, Rashid.
सर कैन आई
एक मिनट, सबको
सर,
बोलना है,
रोहित।
मैं नाम बोलता जाऊंगा, बोलते जाना आप. लड़ाई करने की कोई बात नहीं है इसमें. ठीक है? अब खुशी तुम जरा फोकस करना और घबराया कम करो. फिर दौरा पड़ गया इसको घबराहट का आज. बड़ी मुश्किल से इसको लेके आता हूँ मैं ठिकाने पे, फिर ठीक रहती है, फिर घबराहट चालू हो जाती है इसकी. भैया इसको कुछ झाड़ा वाड़ा लगवाओ रे. ठीक है ना? हाँ. यस, सो आई एम कॉलिंग नाउ. सबसे पहले वो लोग जिनका नंबर अभी तक आया नहीं है, एक बार भी पहले तो वो आ जाओ बेटा। बैठे कब तक रहोगे?
गौरव
गौरव आ जाओ।
सर
गौरव, गौरव,
यस सर
हाँ, ये बंदा सो के उठा है अभी। 500% कह सकता हूँ मैं, ये बंदा सो के उठा है, अभी सो रहा था ये बंदा। टांग
सर
लंबी करके
नहीं
बंदा सो रहा था। चुपचाप तू जो उसने जो पूछा उसका जवाब दे दे।
सर रिपीट कर दो
नहीं,
सर
रिपीट
सबने
नहीं होगा, मैंने
रीड
इसीलिए कहा कि तू सो रहा है। तू रिपीट नहीं होगा।
सर
क्वेश्चन
सबने
किसी ना
रिपीट
कोई
करवाया होगा
ना
एक
कुछ
ना एक
है। क्या कह रहा है?
सर रिपीट तो सबने
रिपीट
करवाया
नो
होगा
नो नो, देयर इज नो रिपीटेशन।
हाँ
Why were you sleeping? It
सर मैं
has been
स्लीप
long time to put that point. If that point was not clear to you or not audible to you, you must ask it earlier. Now, let me show your face clearly. Clearly. Now listen to others, then I will come to you. Okay? Yes. Yes, Priya. Now listen to all. ध्यान से सुनो अब दूसरों को, आप कैसे रिप्लाई किया जा रहा है इस पॉइंट को। यस, कम ऑन प्रिया।
Yes, sir. If a teacher is teaching in a class and a student asks him a question, so if he had not idea about that question, so he should use.
गई कनेक्टिविटी इसकी।
Sir, can I explain?
यस, लक्ष्मी कम।
Yes, sir. According to me, if the student asks the question to the teacher regarding his and her subject, so the teacher have
प्रिया एक मिनट रुको।
the teacher should have knowledge about her and his subject. And is this wrong if the teacher search the questions answer and he does not have knowledge about his subject, so it is wrong. That's it, sir.
Okay, very good. Yes, come on, Priya. Now carry on.
Yes, sir. So if he used it sometimes, so I think it is right. And if he use it again and again, so I think it is wrong.
Very good. Yes, now.
Sir, can I?
Yes, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Sir, in this case, sir, in these type of situations, we can say that sometimes for using Google for for getting any answer is right, but for every time it is not right, because you know that because if a teacher is not getting the answer of any question, he or she will not think that if he does not answer the question, his or her reputation will get less, and he should give any other answer or any wrong answer. It is not good. He should try to Google it at that time and should give right answer.
Very good.
Not wrong answer.
Very good.
And because we know that we have discussed earlier that no one is perfect in this world,
Very
and
good.
it is not confirmed that a teacher knows everything about his or her subject. There are also many things the teacher does not
शाबाश,
know.
बहुत बढ़िया, very
So,
good यार।
so I can say that Googling for an answer for some time is good, but for every time it is not good.
Very good. Yes,
Sir,
come on,
that's all.
Rohit. मैं नाम ले दूंगा। मैंने नाम
Yes,
सुना है
sir.
आप लोगों की। Yes.
Sir, I think that sometimes the teachers are not able to get the answer of the questions that the students are asking. It is right that they should Google it and answer correctly to the students, but it is not always correct, because if the student is asking about the subject, the most of the things the teacher should know about his subjects. No one is perfect, as the Rakshit said that, and if a student is asking about the subject which the teacher is teaching, then the teacher should know 95% or about things of that subject, because it is his field in which he has mastered a lot of things. So I believe that a teacher should google it if it is out of his subject, or if it is in his subject, then he should google it if he is not sure about the answer. So I think that a teacher should google it by react according to the circumstances of the class. That's
Shabash.
it.
Very good. Yes, come on, Sushil.
Yes, sir. Sir, according to me, our teacher is using Google to answer. So, so it is right, because as Harsh and Rohit, Harshit said that in this world no one is perfect. So it may be that the teacher knows the answer, but he is not sure. So to make sure, he can search on the Google, and through it he can also improve himself. If he is searching on Google, so he should clear to the student that he will not need to explain again. So that's it.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, now. बोलना सबको है, अपने आप आ जाओ. गौरव.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, okay. Harshit, come.
Yes, sir. According to the past speakers, I noticed that they all said that no one is perfect in his or her subject. I totally agree with them. And there may be one more reason that because of which a teacher must Google, because he or she is trying to answer the question, and he is not making the students in wrong things and not taking them to the wrong directions by giving them any type of wrong answers. And he is trying his best, whether he is googling, but he is trying his best to give them their right answer. So that's it, sir.
बढ़िया यार, सारे के सारे बहुत अच्छा से कर रहे हो यार. Very good यार. I am amazed to listening you यार. But कुछ अभी खोए हुए हैं, कहीं सोए हुए हैं. कुछ लोग तो बहुत एक्टिवली मतलब पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं. लाइक मैं बताऊं, अभी लक्ष्मी है, लाइक अभी प्रिया है, रक्षित है, और ये कुछ तो भाई देखो अभी आंख मल रहा है, सो रहा है. ये रोहित भी अच्छा बीच बीच में कई बार आ जाता है कि सर आई. सुशील लाइक दैट. हर्षित थोड़ा सा और एक्टिव हो जाओ. और मुस्कान तो भाई पता नहीं कहाँ किस टेंशन में है इसको. और काजल क्या है कि जब बोला जाता है थोड़ा सा आगे रहो, थोड़ा सा एक्टिव हो जाओ आप. कोमल तुम भी. वेरी गुड. यस, कम ऑन नाउ. आई एम यही सेम क्वेश्चन, यही सेम. हाँ बोलो भाई साहब, आगे क्या पधारो.
सर कबीर.
हाँ बोलो, जानते हैं हम आपको.
Sir, it is yes, sir. It is depend on the subject, that is it English grammar. So teacher should take his dictionary with his or her. If it is doubt of maths, so he should know the answer and know the rule of the mathematics. And if we don't know, so he can check the book. And if it is not in the book, so then he can do Google. But first of all, he check the answer in book or his dictionary. Yes, sir, that's it.
Very good यार, बहुत बढ़िया.
Sir, may I?
Yes. Yes, Harsh.
Sir, may I?
Yes, why not? Of course.
So as Kabir said that he should, if it is English grammar, then he should do the dictionary. But I think that
counter
in the
arguments होते हैं. These
English
are
grammar,
counter arguments. शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा, मजा आ रहा है मेरे को. Yes.
but in the English grammar we should not never do anything except the vocabulary. But in the literature, there are in every step there are different kinds of
Words.
vocabulary used, which is hard. But in grammar there are simply the rules and the sentences which should not be googled, because it mainly consists of the questions And if we Google it, then what will be the use of them? There's no such hard vocabulary or no such hard phrases or clauses. So we should, to my mind, I think that we should Google only the literature part in this, only the vocabulary and the rhyming schemes and phrases. That's
Very good, yeah. This is the thinking capacity. This is the talent. That I always say that India is the country where the most talented people of the world live, reside. देखो अब आपको ये होना चाहिए education. Actually, according to me, this is the education where you must give on a point and then express your views.
Sir,
There should be a discussion on different points. It can improve your, so that it can improve your imagination power, your thinking capacity. That is the most important thing. Our mind should be trained, according to me. If I tell you what is education, education means what is the proper meaning of education? To train the mind of our children so that they can develop the ability of thinking on different topics. Yes, anyone else? बस खत्म करने वाला हूँ मैं. आ
sir,
जाओ, किसी को कुछ बोलना है
Yes,
तो.
sir.
sir, can I?
हाँ,
सर सुशील भैया को देना चाहिए, सुशील भैया को.
Yes, sir.
बोलो, आ जाओ, बोलो,
So,
बोलो, आ जाओ, जिसको
as
बोलना
you
है आ जाओ.
said
इस
that,
पॉइंट के ऊपर आप लेकर के फटाफट से खत्म करूंगा फिर मैं. आ जाओ.
yes, sir. So Harsh, as you said that we should use Google only for searching vocabulary. But if someone is not able to find out any mistake and error in a sentence, then she can then he can search, because he is not able to find out the mistake. And why is he not able? Because he doesn't know. So that time he can search, but it is good if the sentence is very hard, and he should not just search all the sentences. And I'm not saying that we should only depend Google completely, but first we should use our mind, then we should search on the Google. That's it.
sir, yes, sir. I am in the favor of Sushil Bhaiya because Harsh has said earlier that a teacher should not use Google for grammar. But in some situations, the teacher also gets a doubt in the grammar. So he or she should not keep the doubt. If he gets little or a little doubt, he should clear it at that time, whether by clearing on Google or ChatGPT or from anything or from anyone. But he or she should clear it.
Very good, यार. प्रिया देख लो.
As we know that here we are not, as we know that here we are not talking about doubt, we are talking about the knowledge, that how much it contains. And doubt is something else that comes when we are searching for something.
But doubt comes
Doubts are
when
something
we,
that comes when we are searching, not at the time, that when we are getting knowledge. And
but when we come when we come across doubts, when we gain something or learn something,
doubts are made to become.
Okay, I think now it is enough. अब थोड़ी देर में लड़ाई होने वाली है यहाँ पर.
Sir,
क्लास को अब मैं यहीं पर ही खत्म करता हूँ. मुझे काफी गर्मा गर्म माहौल हो गया एकदम क्लासरूम का. काउंटर इनको कहते हैं काउंटर आर्ग्यूमेंट. दिस इज अ गुड थिंग. मैं तो मजाक कर रहा हूँ, ऐसे कोई लड़ने वाली बात नहीं है, बट दिस इज अ गुड थिंग. ये बहुत हायर लेवल की चीजें करने लग रहे हो अभी आप ऑटोमेटिकली. और ये मैं नहीं करवा रहा हूँ, अपने आप ही करता है इंसान. इंसान के अंदर का जो है ना, उसको थोड़ा छेड़ दो बस एक बार तार को, अपने आप बजने लग जाएगा वो. हमने ज्यादा कुछ नहीं करना होता है. हम लोगों को ज्यादा हमें उस लेवल पर लाना होता है. देखो आप आगे लड़ने लग गए ना, इंग्लिश में ही लड़ने लग गए, तो कहते हैं इंग्लिश में लड़ाई लड़ना. हाँ, और कुछ किसी को बोलना है इन दोनों के अलावा?
sir, I have a question. Can I ask?
नहीं, नाउ अब हम आस्किंग नहीं कर रहे हैं क्योंकि वो लंबा चलेगा अब, क्योंकि अब क्लास का माहौल बदलने लग गया आजकल.
Sir, why do some student judge that teacher who use Google?
Because actually, today the quality of our teaching of our teachers is deteriorating day by day. I think searching a thing on Google is not bad. Looking anything in books or dictionaries is not bad. It improves us. Even I have been teaching for the last 32 years, but still I search a lot of things in books or in dictionaries. Okay. This is the duty of a teacher. A teacher should be self-studious. Okay. So because teaching is a skill. Like speaking is a skill, like driving is a skill, teaching is also a skill. And every skill needs practice. So by searching things, by reading, by listening, we can improve ourselves. But these days, there are very few teachers who follow this system. Most of our teachers do not have any book in their home. They have nothing to do with study. Most of our teachers do not study. They just come to the class and start teaching. And when some students understand here, students showed me the book, sir, please see. Every line has been translated into Hindi. What did the teacher do? One day he was caught. One day he did not, he only taught by his own book, and he would carry his own book with him daily. One day, unfortunately, he forgot his book and he came into the class and he said that I will not teach you today. The student said, why, sir? Because you are students. Now you can see your talent, your thinking capacity. If you are able there through your thoughts. The students are not a small thing. They are very clever. Okay. So they know and they ask, sir, why don't you teach? Take our book and teach using this book. The teacher said, no, sorry, I teach only by my book. What is the why? Why your book? Books are the same. All the books are the same. Then the students understood what is the matter. And when the other day the teacher brought the book, students, very great thing.
Yes, sir.
If we develop them in their natural way, like one said that there should be a funny method in the school. So then one student, for taking the permission of water or anything else, came close to the teacher and he saw, and what did he saw? That all the pages were read and there were written all the Hindi translation of the sentences, and the students understood. Is it good for a teacher?
No, sir.
Now I don't need
No,
that,
sir.
but earlier when I started 10th class, 12th class, 11th classes, I used to spend my 2 or 3 or 4 hours at my home for reading the lessons that I had to teach in the class the next day, so that I can satisfy my students. But even though there used to be some situations when I was not able to answer the question of the students, or particularly question means particularly vocabulary. So if I used not to be clear about that, I would send one student for taking the dictionary from the library, and then I would, after watching the dictionary, I would make it clear to the students. But such types of teachers are not there in our environment. Those who know how to train the mind of our students, and once if they train their, what I did here with you, I train
Sir,
your
you are
mind.
very rare.
I trained your mind, nothing else. If you are speaking, then I did nothing here, but I trained your mind to make the sentences, to think about I gave you an environment. So you are doing this. Thank you very much. आज के लिए काफी हो गया.